Hello guys. We are back in business. Well, so what we will do today? Let me just share my Telegram channel so that you can join. On my Telegram, I will share everything. Okay. Yo, welcome to my live. How's that sound? Is everything okay? My background audio is okay. What do you think? And what about my vocal? Is everything perfect or I need to change something? By the way, welcome guys, welcome everyone. Welcome on our today's live. What we will do today, let me just chalk that out, okay? Draw that out. Yeah. So in today's video, let me open my drawing board, by the way. So this is day 10. Yes, audio is perfect today. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for your feedback. Appreciate it. So this is day 10. Day 10 of our journey to earn $1 million. Okay. $1 million, and our current revenue is 0, by the way. So yeah, let me just give you the calculation how we can earn $1 million. I always share that calculation in each and every time because if I share that, I feel motivated, and I know you guys can also feel motivated about it. Okay, so let me just share how we can actually earn $1 million. So what we will do is we will create a Fiverr profile first. Why we are creating Fiverr profile? Okay. Wait guys. So yeah, what we will do is, yeah, so let me just share the calculations. Okay, so we will create first our Fiverr profile. After creating Fiverr profile, we will try to sell our automations, entertain automation to 10 people. Why we are creating Fiverr profile? Because Fiverr is a trusted place, and hence our target is to start with a $0 or as much or as low as dollar, okay, that we want to invest in that business. So that's why we will start with Fiverr. Okay, and also Fiverr has an integrated payment system, so this is also a good point for starting a business. And also using Fiverr, you can actually able to tap that market where millions of users are already exist on Fiverr. Okay, so that's why there are so many reasons why we are using Fiverr. So what we will do is, first we will look for the 10 clients, we will close them on Fiverr. After closing them on Fiverr, our next step will be to create our own AI agent agency and close 100 clients, okay, on that agency. And while closing, if we are able to find some patterns about automation, that this type of automation is actually working great and people are actually wanting, and we were able to sell a same template again and again. So what we will do is we will create our own AI wrapper or AI wrapper MVP, first minimal viable product, okay, or you can say the AI SaaS. And after creating that, our next goal will be 1,000 clients, okay, 1,000 clients who were actually going to pay, let's say $10 per month as a subscription fee, okay. So 10 into 1,000, that will be a $10,000 per month MRR, monthly recurring revenue. And if we were actually if we were calculate the ARR, annual recurring revenue, that will be 10,000 into 12. These are all actually assumptions. We are actually what we are doing is we are calculating on a base, okay. These are our base level, or you can say we are actually having this number so that in our mind we can calculate what is this and how we will proceed further, okay. So that's why, and these are also easy to explain to you guys, that's why I'm using these numbers, okay. So 10 into 1,000, that's $10,000 per month MRR. And if you want to calculate the ARR, that is 10,000 into 12, which is 1,20,000. And if you want to calculate the valuations maybe into 5, into 8, or into 10, based on the product, okay. So for the sake of the easy calculation, we will go with the into 10. So this will be our valuation, which is $1.2 million. And this is how we will earn $1 million after do the exit, a big exit, okay. So I guess you guys now understand how we are actually achieving our goal. So now this is day 10, okay. So in day 10, currently we are on a $0 profit, by the way. So let's start our day 10 journey, okay. So let me just wait, guys. So yeah, so this is day 10. In day 10, what we will do is we will do the intent based lead scraping that we actually started yesterday, okay. Because we are doing this manually so that we can understand the whole process, that we are actually going to automate it later, okay. And that automation we were actually going to sell as a template, okay. So that's why we are actually going to do is intent based, that is intent detection, or you can say signal based lead scraping, okay. This is what we are going today. And the second, what we will do is we were actually not going to scrape 20 peoples right now. We only scrape 5 peoples for the time being, okay, manually. This is actually a manual process. And then what we will do is we will send the first batch of cold emails, okay. Send the first batch of cold email to these 5 peoples, okay. That's all. This is what we are going today, okay, going to do. So let's start our journey, by the way. This is the profile. And this is a sheet that we created yesterday, simple lead tracking sheet version 2. Okay, so we were actually able to find one lead. Let's find some more leads. Okay, so how we will do this, we will use ChatGTP for it. Okay, yeah, so let's start with a simple chatting. We will start with just a simple conversation, or we can continue with tomorrow's conversation in ChatGPT. Where's that icebreaker for? I think this one. Yeah, we are working. No, 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 sorry. This is not the one. Let's start with a fresh new chat, okay? If you guys want to ask anything, you can ask me. So let's start today's chat, by the way. So Okay, by the way, ChatGPT just named our automation, anytime automation. He named it he, she, or whatever. Signal flow. Yeah, signal flow is a great name, by the way. Let me just write it down somewhere so I can remember. When I'm building a AI wrapper, we will name it as a signal flow. AI system that find companies showing buying signals and automatically launches outreach. That's a great one, man. Signal flow. Just copy it. Also copy the tagline. I need tagline as well. Signal flow है inch. No, it's not available, by the way. Ten extremely powerful signal queries that find. Yes. This is the bonus that ChatGPT gave you every time. Yes. Let ChatGPT do his magic. What is HDR? I don't even know. No shame. Facial drawing rights? Facial drawing? Don't get it. Look for. Wow. Sales development representative. Yeah. Prospecting and finding companies that match the ICP, searching on LinkedIn. Cold outreach. Cold email, LinkedIn message. Time cold call. Taking in the median good fit company size budget. Okay, so we are doing what SDR is actually doing. So that's why ChatGPT is suggesting that look for SDRs on LinkedIn. Need to know the term. Okay. So this is how SDR work. Sales development representative. Okay, got it. Gotcha. What? Salary around 50,000 to 80,000. Annum or what? Okay. Okay, so we are replacing HDRs. Got it. Yes, show me. This is how you can actually able to grab deep knowledge using ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT always give you some bonus tips in the end. It is not very magical. Lead source and investment percent. Founder himself. Yes, yes. Yeah. If you want, I can also show you 15 very powerful lead signals specifically for aging sales. Yes. Just type yes, yes, and yes, and ChatGPT give you the all answers that you need to know. Maybe that right now it's not moving a needle right now, but we are learning, and this is what we need to learn first. Okay. As soon as we learn fast, we can execute fast. So we will do everything eventually, don't worry. Just stay with me, guys. That's all. That's all I want. Your support. This is the same thing that ChatGPT already gave us. Okay, let's ask ChatGPT to convert this into a table. Okay. Yeah. Scan signal sources, detect companies showing signals, extract founder or contact, enrich email, generate personalized outreach, add to campaign lookup. Let me just copy it so that I don't forget about it. Okay. So yeah, this is the flow, by the way, that ChatGPT suggested. Important inside of it. List of categories websites where you can. Yes, this is also what I want. Okay, so you can paste the table below directly into Excel, Google Sheet. Each column represents something you can later use in your lead scoring operation. recommended extra one. Let's just copy it. What is this? I don't know. I think if I do the copy, I understand. Okay, signal category, signal name, what it indicates, where to find it, example search query, method, lead score, time signal, signal SDR, area company, single job. Got it. Then auto starts outreach. The position can easily justify 3,000 to 10,000 retainers. Retainers means per month MRR, okay? But isn't that I have to set the automation once and the retainer? I don't think no, this is wrong. Because I don't want to work for other businesses. I just sell them a template, that's all. And if they want to retain, I can charge a retainer price, which actually I will do the template optimization, that's all. Yeah. Let's see what we can do for the time being. Do what ChatGPT says. This is our goal right now. Because we are completely blind about it. Okay. If you are blind, you don't know where to start. This is the answer. ChatGPT. By the way, I am using a free version of ChatGPT, so that you know how broke I am, or you can say how little to less money I am using for this challenge. Okay. Let's fix one by one. So these are the signal category: hiring signal, funding signal, startup signal, agency signal, tool signal, pin signal, buying signal, business signal, partnership signal, and community signal. Okay, let's do this. What it indicates: company needs more pipeline for LinkedIn jobs, where to find, and example search query: SDR hiring search, task, and this is the lead score example. Let's say the lead score will be. Okay, we are learning a lot by the way today. Today is a great start. Let's rename it as signals. Signals. Okay. Now let's create our second sheet. Signal based lead source. Let's do this, guys. Okay, so this is our second one. Yeah. Give me that. By the way, guys, if you want that sheet, just comment sheet, and I will drop this right now, and you can follow along. So first sheet is signals and the second sheet is our signal based lead sources. Okay. So the category will be the startup launch, website product hunt, signal you can detect new product launch, type of lead, SaaS founders, how to use it, find founders, launching new tools. Okay. And the second category will be also the startup launch, which is a beta list, pre-launch startup, SaaS founder, scrape founder launching beta products, beta page, early stage startup, tech founders, micro launch. Okay, these are the websites. These are the signals. These are the type of leads, and this is how you can use it. Okay. So I think I had a great idea about this. We can charge as a retainer price to our clients. So what we will do is we will upgrade the Excel sheet, or you can say the prompt sheet, where the automation is actually going or working in the background. Yeah, this is a sheet that will do the job that what we actually looking for. Okay. So yeah, funding databases. This is so cool, huh? Signal based lead source, 35 plus websites. It's more about it. Let me just copy the flow. Yeah, let's see. What is this? We also want this. A list of 25 hidden lead sources most outbound agencies never use, but they produce insanely good leads. Okay, let's see. What is this? Below is a tab separated table you can paste directly into Excel or Google Sheet. These are 25 laser used hidden lead sources that often surface high intent SaaS founders, AI agency messaging. Copy it. Make another sheet. Paste it over here. See, this is what we are doing most of the time. Copy and paste. Okay. Bold 11. Light deep color. Okay, so the communities. Okay. Growth list. Founders sharing growth experiments, SaaS founders, identify founders actively trying to grow, founder community, SaaS community, tropical MBA community. demand plans, future PDF only. Okay, got it. In signals that almost guaranteed a reply from SaaS fund. These are 10 very strong buying signals that usually lead to much higher reply rates from cold outreach. Yeah, let's see. 7 signals that indicate a company is about to start spending money on marketing or lead generation. Yeah, I want to know. I don't know why ChatGPT hooked me so much. Yeah, it's just dropping one after another, just bonuses. Seven signals are typically powerful because they usually appear right before a company starts spending money on marketing. Okay, they raise funds, they hire growth, hire sales. Example: signal based outreach, funding signals. Saw you recently raised a seed round. Many SaaS team at this stage struggling to build predictable outbound. Curious what you are doing for pipeline. Okay. How this fits your automation idea? Your N8N workflow could automatically scan signal sources daily, detect companies showing signals, find founder or head of the growth, enrich email, generate personalized message, send outreach, book calendar calls. Yeah, that can be done. There are so many things that we can do, right? Okay. Strategic insight for your position: you shouldn't present your service as cold in the ISO that detect companies showing buying signals and automatically generate sales meetings. That position is far attractive to SaaS founders. If you want, I can also show you how to find 200 to 300 signal based leads per week automatically using a few scripting techniques. Most is never used. Yeah, I don't know why he's every time he's dropping something that I actually wanted to know. I don't know whether I will use or not. You know what, this is the thing that when you use ChatGPT or other LLM models, they constantly hook you on something that you think that is important for you, but ultimately needle is not moving, guys. Needle is not moving, and this is the problem. Okay, so this is the last one. Let me just copy it and we will start our thing what we actually need to do today. Okay, yeah, this is the last one. What is this? 7 signals, especially powerful. Okay. 7 signals are important. Just 7 signals. Yeah. Hiring signals, hiring SDR or BDR, companies starting outbound sales. What happened in the company? Where to detect LinkedIn job or well found? It usually means they need leads quickly. Priority score 10. Leadership change. New head of growth or VP sales. New leader responsible for pipeline. LinkedIn job update. Pressure to generate lead. Okay, so these are the signals. So the thing is, when we will create the N8 automation, we have to about knowledgeable, or we have to give these prompts into our N8 LLM model so that he know the intent, what we actually looking for, or what are the signals, so that we don't waste our tokens that are actually not required. And yeah, these are the things that we have to keep in mind. Okay, these are gold, by the way, if we can able to use it correctly. Agency, a new service or agency launch, agency adding new service. Okay, by the way, we are done. So yeah, we don't need anything. We build system that detect companies showing buying signals that automatically. If you want, I can also show you how to find 200 to 300 signal based leads per week. No, I don't want it right now. Let's just do our job. What we actually start with. Give me a time, guys. I'm coming in a minute. Hello guys. Hello. Hello chat. Hello chat, I'm back again. These are far better than random scraping the keys to capture event. Yams. It's generating, by the way. Let's see what's the mind map it actually generates. Okay, working fine. Okay, yeah, signal based lead engine. This is what we want. Let's see. Hiring signals, hiring SDR, BDR, hiring growth marketer, hiring marketing roles, rapid team hiring, pain signals, founders asking for leads, complaining about growth, scaling challenges, seed series, funding signal, seed or series of funding, investor announced. Okay, product launch signal, product launch signals, new SaaS launch, beta product release, indie hacker, agency signals, new agency launch, adding new service, seeking partnership, tool signals using Apollo Limbist, CRM tool using outbound stack, business challenges, new website, rebrand, new product page, community signals, startup forum, Reddit discussion, Indie hacker. Okay. Yeah, kind of cool. Lead prioritization, ICP score, signal score, ICP plus signal. Okay, that's kind of fun. Let me just add it. Okay, so we are done with signals. We are completely done with signals. Okay, let me just copy it. Use the Miro board. Do you know, guys, about Miro board? Miro board is a great tool. What? Need to type password. Yeah, guys, guess what I typed? What? By the way, I have two-step authentication. Haha. Um, Whoa, cool. Let's see if we are able to paste our mind map over here. Hello, buddy. Am I audible? Welcome, welcome, welcome to the stream, by the way. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Yeah, am I audible, by the way? Let me just change the music a bit. Yeah. As you can see, guys, this is how you create your mind map. Add to the canvas. Okay, so we just created our own mind map, by the way. Let me just delete this and delete this one as well. This is our own mind map. Signal based lead engine mind map. Okay, so these are the signals, pain signals. Founder asking how do I get clients, founder complaining about growth, founder asking about lead generation, immediate need for pipeline. Okay, tool signals using outbound tools, Apollo instantly limb list. These are the signals that we can reach to these clients and pitch our services. Okay, using CRM system, already familiar with outbounds. Community signals, founder post in communities, Reddit startup discussion, indie hacker growth, startup forum, SaaS communities. Business changes, new website launch, rebranding, new product page, indicate new growth push. Okay, lead prioritization, this is how first we actually rank our ICPs, then when we count, then ICP plus signal, and this is all going as we planned, guys. We will look for the hiring signals as well, funding signals, product startup signals, and agency signals. These these are the things that we will about to do. Okay, so let's change signals. Let me just copy it, rename it. Okay, so we just created our own mind map, and it help us to completely finish our next works. Okay, so these are the signals, and I also created some Excel sheets about the signals. Now let's start searching. Okay, so we have created all our signals. Now it's our time to look for the leads. Let's look for our lead, guys. Let's search for our leads. Comment W if you found it interesting. Okay, yeah. If you found this interesting, comment W. Whatever, guys. Let's start. So yeah, these are the signals. Okay, so let's start with a simple one. Hiring signal, hiring SDR or BDR. Company needs more pipeline, but where to find it? Let's go to LinkedIn to find this. Okay, let's go to LinkedIn. Okay, so here we are in the LinkedIn section. Now what we will do is we will look for the signals. Let's example search query SDR hiring SaaS. Okay, let's paste it on a search bar. Okay, let's see. LinkedIn jobs. Okay, we need job posting. Okay. This is the search query. Lead score is 10. SDR hiring SaaS. Okay. Let's look for as you can see, guys, we found some leads. United States. Okay. Okay, so meet the hiring team. We posted 2 weeks ago, over 100 people click apply. Dovetail. We need to dig a dip actually. Add a job. Company size. Is there any filters about company size? Nope. To 200 employees. No, this one is not good, guys. We need to look for the companies who just started and who have actually very less employees right now. Let's say 2 to 10 employees are working in that company. Okay, let's look for this profile as well. Oh no, this one is not good, because if a company is a big, so I don't think a big company is actually want our services. Okay, that big. No, I think if we use sales navigator or something that way. Damn. Yeah, this is the one that we are looking for, guys. This is the company that we can pitch our service. Okay, 11 to 50 employees, not that much. So that company can take our service because this company is already paying on a remote job, full-time remote job, 30 to 40k per annum. And if we pitch our service, let's say, just let me open my calculator. If we pitch our service, let's say for the time being, if it's a 30k, then the divide by 12, how much that will be? 2500. Okay, so if we pitch our service for $1000 setup cost is $1000. Okay, and retainer cost is $200 per month. Yeah, that's the cap, that's all. So how much that company have to pay right now? 200 into 12, 2400 plus $1000. Yeah, see, they are saving a lot of money by doing this. Okay, by the way, who posted this? Someone posted. I need the info. Let's see if we found any other company. Nooks. AI transformation for freight. Own your agentic age. Okay. Does that company have any post? 4 months ago. Own the agent, don't become one. Your AI advantage. By the way, that's a AI company. So what? We can pitch our service to that company as well. Let's visit the website. Do they have any email ID or contact email ID? No, not here. I think we can found on about section. Nope, nothing. Let's say people. 24 associate members. Okay, these are the members. Let's already have a SDR and B2B growth expert, by the way, in that team. But they do have 2 SDR in their team. Why they want more? I don't know. Who's the decision maker? Okay, so the thing is, no, that key term is not working. I think we need something else. Founder hiring signal data. Building a sales team, starting outbound, looking for. Okay, so what I found so far that needle is not moving. Okay, guys, needle is not moving. We need to move our needle. To begin with, turn this into a scraping workflow. Your automation. Nah, bro, it's not working. Posts are not working. There's no such post available for hiring SDR, but on a job section, I am actually able to find. So, what if I do this? I do the Google X search. Okay, if I do the Google X search, I think let's just ask. I want to do a Google X search. To do in that. Okay, so Google current filter LinkedIn company size directly. Oh. Basic LinkedIn job X-ray. This written LinkedIn job listing mentioning SDR roles in the US. X-ray for startup 2 to 50 employees. Small startup often use words like startup, early stage, seed stage, series A, found. Search LinkedIn sales development represented startup United States. Founding SDR SaaS. No, the founding term wouldn't work. Very powerful query for early stage SDR hiring. First SDR or first sales hire. This one will not work. If I do, let's say if I do the manual search, how a agency do a manual search? How agency do search using tool? Give me that process. Location notice state companies. Yeah. Two companies from B2B data English. Two states, series, festival list of that match the ICP. So filter confirms. Yeah, if we do the define ICP first, I think that will be a great thing to do. Yeah, instead of relying on post and something. If we define ICP first, yeah, that actually much needed. Yeah. Okay. So let's do the process, the agency process. Define ICP, pool companies. Okay. Hello. Yeah, I'm back by the way, guys. Let's continue where we are. So now, actually, the thing is, right now we are stuck in looking for the prospects. Okay, so I think if I use this query, because right now what we are doing is we are actually doing a manual search. Okay, because based on that manual search we can actually able to do the automation. Okay, so for that what I have to do is I have to first do the manual search, but the thing is I'm not able to, the needle is not moving. I'm not able to actually found a system or found a flow how actually I can look for the services. Okay, or the things that we want to continue, things that need to continue this challenge. Okay, so I think if I do this, let's see if ChatGPT suggests us the step-by-step process, and we were actually able to find some leads. Okay. So below is the actual step-by-step workflow most outbound agencies follow to find leads. Okay, if you follow this process, you will basically be doing lead sourcing the same way a lead gen agency does. Yeah, this is what we want. Okay, step 1, define the ICP. In 10 minutes before searching anything, agency clearly define filters. Example for your case: industry, SaaS, AI, software, location United States, company size 2 to 10 or 10 to 50, role founder, CEO, head of growth, signal, hiring SDR, growth or sales. Okay, this becomes your lead search tool. Yeah. Step 2, find companies first, not people. Agencies almost always start with companies. Use databases like Apollo, Clay, Crunchbase. Let's see, is Apollo a free one? Let's just look for it. Okay, doing this as a agency way, how a agency actually find leads. Okay, so Apollo. Okay, let's do it in the Apollo way. Pick for now. Okay, so we actually got 75 credits, team credits. Upgrade plan. For outbound, explore the Apollo platform to find lead, manage pipeline, and close deals. Basic 25. Acha. Then the basic 30,000 credits, $49. Then professional. Research and AI lead scoring. Prospecting, Gmail, and so. Okay. Let's Okay, guys, I think we are actually able to find something that actually work. Okay. Okay, yeah. I think we are actually able to crack something that is actually gonna work. Yeah. Okay, guys, I understand a lot how actually we are going to enrich the list, or how actually I'm going to find the list. So for today, I think I'm about to end this live. Tomorrow we will start working on it, okay? Because my eyes are actually not acting right now. They are itching actually itching a lot, and I'm not able to maintain my mental state right now. Okay, so I'm about to end my live right now. Okay. We will learn a lot. We will do the next part tomorrow. Okay, so yeah.